In this video, I'll show you how to create a site-wide discount on your WooCommerce store. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so for example, here on our demo store, we've quickly put all products on sale by 15%. And with the method that I'll show you as well, you can ignore products which are already on sale. So you don't want to give customers a double discount. So I'll show you how to do that as well. One other thing to note is, let's say if we click on this particular product here, we can also show customers the percentage that they've saved and also the amount that they've saved as well. So currently here, I've got it displaying on the cart page that the customer saving 15%. We can also show the dollar amount that they've saved per item and then also the total saving for this particular purchase. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to aovup.com. Go ahead and download the AOVUp dynamic pricing and discount rules plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded and installed the AOVUp dynamic pricing plugin, the next step is just to go ahead and create our site-wide discount. So we'll just head over to dynamic pricing rules here, and then we'll head over to user roles. So we can create our site-wide discount in many different ways, right? So for example, we can create a site-wide discount which says if you spend over $100, we'll give you 10% off, or we'll give you $10 off, or something like that. But for this particular rule, I'm just going to create a simple site-wide discount where we want to give a 10% discount on every single product. All right. So to do this, we'll use the roles rule here. So we'll go ahead and enable this discount for our subscribers, for our customers, and also for our guest users, which are users logged out of our site. All right. So we'll just make sure we toggle all these roles to on here. And then where it says type, we can either select a price discount. So we can say get $5 off each product site-wide, or we can say a percentage discount where we can say get 15% off. All right. So we'll just enter in the discount value here. So it's 15%, and we'll add 15% here as well. All right. So now we can just go ahead and hit save changes. And since the admin's not included in this particular discount, because this is turned off, if we head over to our store page, we won't actually be able to take advantage of this particular discount. As you can see, everything's a normal price. But if we were to open up our store in a private browser, all right, here we can see there's a sale on all our products. So we can scroll down, we can go ahead and check out this particular product, for example. All right, and we can see that we're getting a 15% discount here. So if you want to customize this sales badge, so I've created a video showing you how to customize this with a bit of code. So I'll leave the link to that particular video on screen and in the description below. All right, so let's head back over to our main site here. Okay, so our discount is working fine for the user role that we specified. Now let's say, for example, if this hat was already on sale, then maybe you don't want to apply an additional 15% discount to a product which has already been discounted. All right, so I'll show you how to prevent that, and I'll also show you how to display the amount that the customer saved. So let's head back over to our dashboard. We'll navigate over to options here, and then all we need to do is enable this option where it says saved amount. Okay, and we can customize the text. So we can say something like you saved, and then for the amount, we can even show them the dollar amount or even the percentage amount. So we can say percentage, and then we can choose to display this saved amount on a product page and also on the cart page as well, or on the product or cart page. And then finally, if we want to exclude our rule from running when you've already got an item on sale, then we just need to enable this option here. Let's hit save changes, and then let's head back over to our demo site. All right, so let's add this particular product to our basket. All right, let's navigate over to the cart page. So when we're in the cart page and also on the product page as well, here you can see we've got this text which says you saved, and then here it's showing us the percentage amount that we've actually saved per product. So if you've got multiple different products, it'll show you the percentage off on each product or the amount saved, and then here it will show you the total amount that you've saved. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support.